Hey everybody, welcome back to A Better Computer. My name is Matt, and today's video is both exciting and a little nerve-wracking for me because normally on this channel I talk about things that other people have made and give my opinions of them. But today I'm turning the tables and I'm actually going to be sharing something that I made. Now, I'm not a professional developer and I know just enough code to be dangerous, so this isn't going to be the most impressive thing you've ever seen, but it solved a problem that I had, and it seemed that some people, at least who I follow on social media, also had, and I think I've done a pretty decent job of creating something that's useful, if not, again, the most impressive thing you've ever seen in your life. So I'm just going to jump into it and kind of show you what I've created. It's called Quick Reviews. It's at quickreviews.app, and you can check it out right now, but I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of how it works and how I was thinking it could be used. Okay, so here is Quick Reviews. It's currently in beta. It's definitely early days, but I wanted to get something out there and see if people found it useful. So here's how you use it. So basically you need a title, some metadata about the thing, write a review, here's an image, and then you can give it a score. So poor, okay, good, or great. So I recently watched The Matrix Reloaded, so I can put the title there. It was 2003, I think, maybe 2002. I don't know, 2003, and then the Wachowskis, right, are the directors. I'll go ahead and paste in my review. I could just write it here if I'd like, and now I need to go find an image. So I want to find the Matrix Reloaded poster, right? So we'll go ahead and use this one, kind of like this one. So I'll just right-click, copy the image link, go back to Quick Reviews, and just paste it in here. And there we go. So now I have my review. I'd actually put this at good, maybe not great. But that's it. I can also do some customization to this. So I use kind of these pastel colors for my scores. Maybe you don't like that. Maybe you want something a little kind of like stronger red. We'll go with kind of a more yellowish. There we go, yellow. The good, I want to be more like a light blue. And then great, let's make that kind of just a dark green, how about? So now I go to poor and it matches that, yellow, blue, and then dark green. And you'll notice little things like the contrast is always right, so these stay black, but for this dark color, the contrast would be bad, so the website automatically makes it white. Little touches like that I think are nice to kind of reduce user error. I can also change the names of these. So maybe I don't like poor, okay, good, great. I could do terrible, decent, aces, and wonderful, right? Or I could do, let's do a star. Let's see, star. 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. Cool. So now I have like a 4-star system here. We'll say this is a 3-star movie. Cool. There we go. This is good. So now what I want to do is I just want to take a screenshot of the review area. There we go. And then I can tweet this review. So I can obviously I just have an image here. I can do whatever I want with it. But what a lot of people like to do is tweet it. So I have a tweet this review button here. And it just says, here's my quick review of The Matrix Reloaded. And I can pull this in. And there we go. I've got my tweet with the short review, with all the stuff that was in the review that I just wrote, and then a quick text thing that I can just change to whatever, of course. So that's how it works. Also, it does a couple things. So if I go ahead and close this tab and then open a new one, so let's go to Quick Reviews again, it actually saves my progress, saves where I left off. So if I wrote half the review and wanted to come back later, I could do that. It just remembers everything that you were working on, including your custom colors, your custom scores. If ever I want to reset things, I can just go ahead and reset. There we go, and now we're back to kind of the default theme of everything. But yeah, it tries to do that to make this an easy thing for you to have exactly your setup, every time you come back to it. So yeah, that is Quick Reviews. It's very basic right now. It does no tracking of you. I have no idea what you're reviewing on here. This stuff is stored locally in your browser, so I actually don't have it on the server at all. It's just pulling from your browser data. So it doesn't sync between your devices either, but anyway, if you come back to it in the same browser every time, it's going to remember where you left off. But yeah, that is Quick Review. Very simple little thing, but I do use it to post my reviews of all the books and movies that I read and watch on Twitter. I'll put a link to the thread that I have for 2022 where I'm going through all the books and movies that I'm watching and I'm posting reviews like this. And yeah, if you want to give it a shot, go ahead. It's quickreviews.app, and I hope you enjoy it. If you want any features, let me know on Twitter. Just reply to those threads that I posted to kind of what you'd like to see from this, and I'll see if I can add them. So thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.